सर्वांके नमस्कार. आमगेले कोंकणी खाण आणि जेवण चॅनलांतू सर्वांके स्वागत. व्हिडिओज लाईक कराय, शेअर कराय आणि सबस्क्राईब कराय.
Terya Paana Bhajji. Taro leaves, Terya pan or Arabi leaves, Mandya pan, are usually used to make our GSB favorite Pathrodo. After rolling out the lolos, sometimes we have a few leaves remaining unused. Or in the case that we could manage to get only a few leaves, we can make tasty bhajji, which at least limits our craving dualo or pathrodo. So when I got some kernels from my garden, I plucked some chilies and tender mandya pan. Now being summer, I could get a few only, so decided to make tasty bhajji. First, remove the spine of kernel starfruit. And chop to small pieces. Then chop 1 or 2 chilies. I have deveined some leaves and left as such the very tender ones. Now chop these finely. In a pan, add all these chopped items. Add enough water and cook till very mushy. I am doing this way as I have only very few leaves. For more leaves, you can pressure cook to 1 whistle. Now this is all cooked very well. Switch off. Now to add some fresh grated coconut. Then add quarter teaspoon hing. And drizzle some fresh coconut oil. Cover and let the flavors infuse. Terya Paana Bhajji is ready to be served with rice as a side dish. I enjoyed this as such.
For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.